Here's the ZIPmow. It has 3 blades here. I'm going to show you how to take off this blade cover. You have to remove it. It says remove. I'm also going to show you how to put the blade back on and also how to adjust it. Now to adjust the height, you only have 3 cutting heights, okay? It goes like 2 inches, 2.5, and then the last one up here is at 3 inches. So first, let's remove this cover here. What you got to do is unscrew these 2 and take the whole thing off first. So I just unscrewed these 2 screws. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just lift this up, just like this. And I'm just going to kind of hold the screws in there. I don't want to pull them out, but there's a lock washer on there too, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and turn this over, and I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Just go in there and kind of just pop it out, just like this. You can remove that, and you can see that it's a screw, and it has that lock washer on there, okay? Of course you can take them out. I'm gonna leave it just like this, okay? And you can see how the blades are like kind of up like that. If I look on the bottom here, there's like a number here. I want that number down like this, okay? No, this mower is upside down, so I'm gonna put it in just like this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just pop that in there, screw those in, and then you're done. So I just screwed these in. Now, in order to adjust the heights, you have 3 height levels, okay? So basically there's a screw in here, all right? What you can do is unscrew this little thing right here, and then you can just pop it out, and then you can look, you have 3 holes here, okay? 1, 2, 3. So you have a 2-inch cut, and then you can do a 2.5 or a 3-inch. I'm gonna leave it in the middle, which is 2.5, and that's the way it comes when you get the mower. Let me just put this back into the middle, and you have to screw this all the way in. Now you might have to play with it a little bit until you find the hole, okay? But anyway, I'm going to go with the middle hole here, which is 2.5 inches. Just make sure that screws all the way in, and there you go. Now you can go ahead and pop your blades in and tighten those up. Pretty simple.